Happy New Year, everyone. Happy Sunday afternoon, everyone. Got these shelves and top and the bottom support pieces made for another bookcase. Got that done. Got edges put on everything. Just letting the glue, giving the glue a little bit more time to set. I'll probably have to come back and trim up everything, sand it a little bit better, trim it down to a final size. Got a new saw. Been putting it through its paces. I think unfortunately, this blade's about had it. It was straining pretty hard earlier to cut these. I had to recondition my push blocks. They were getting a little chewed up on the bottom. I trimmed the worn out, chewed up piece off, part off, and attached some more sandpaper. That's glued on with a little tape around the edges just to keep it out of the way. They're straining pretty hard on that. I don't know if that stuff's just harder than I thought it was, or the blade's about gone already. I didn't believe I'd been working it that hard, but it was straining pretty hard. This is only an 8 1/4 blade compact saw. Cuts a pretty good width. It'll cut up to, sorry about the camera work, it'll cut up to 24 1/2. I doubt I ever see that, anything that wide. For support and purposes, I'll use that to cut anything that wide, like full sheets of plywood, even though all the reviews I saw said that this is well capable of doing it. Probably going to stay away from that. Just use this to cut down pieces to final size, you know what I mean. Cleaned the shop a little bit, got it dirty again, all over again. Got my toolbox painted, junk piled on top of that. I'll have to go through this stuff, see what I can be. Got a good many stuff left to throw away and get rid of. But I hope everybody has a good weekend. Happy New Year's Day to everyone, and happy Sunday. Have a great week coming up. God bless every one of you, and thanks for watching.